Oh, hey friends, it's Josh Yeager, Santa Barbara dog walker and trust governance popinjay. I'm not in Santa Barbara. I'm outside Breckenridge, Colorado on a little hike. And I thought I'd share with you a little overview of a new service offering that we're going to be providing. And that is the documentation of trust and estates packages. We've found that there's kind of two ends of the service spectrum right now in California. There's the DIY, that's do-it-yourself solution with really good tech platforms like Trust&Wills or LegalZoom or RocketLawyer or Vanilla, to name a few. Estate Guru is another one. All of these have do-it-yourself solutions where the client is asked a bunch of questions and a set of legal documents pops out. Honestly, my experience from those documents are pretty dang good. Don't let attorneys tell you wrong. The words themselves, the organization of the trusts, the integration of modern best practices, flexibility, California statutes, etc. All those platforms are pretty dang good. Other end of the spectrum is the white glove approach you're familiar with. My colleagues that have really nice offices and glass windows, big conference tables, lots of clients, lots of staff. Those solutions are in the $5,000 to $7,000 range. The DIY are in the $500 to $1,000. EstateDocs is going to start to do something in between. We're going to strip out some of the overhead of my colleagues in the DIY. We're not going to have a big office, not going to have a lot of glass, not going to have clients come into the office, not going to have tons of staff. We're going to just crank out appropriate, well-written, excellent trust documents for clients that are a little uncomfortable paying the $6,000, $7,000 and north dollar amount. So most of our clients are going to be non-taxable clients. That means their estates are $13 million and less. I would honestly argue that clients with taxable estates, where you need to be doing estate tax planning, where the estate is larger than the lifetime exemption amount, you should probably go to my colleagues and you should probably pay their fee, because it's well worth it, because they'll be able to craft solutions that take time and cost more money. But the incremental cost of those is pretty small. EstateDocs law is not solving that problem. We're solving the problem for the mass market, the $10 million and less family group, $13 million and less, the non-taxable, non-estate taxable. And we'll crank those documents out in 3 business days, 72 hours. Do an online Zoom call with the client. I'm excited to be able to serve clients throughout California, not just in the Santa Barbara area. So I want to experiment with this model of finding and serving clients from Eureka to San Diego, from Tahoe down to San Francisco. Here's the unnamed pond. Unnamed because it's barely a pond. But anyhow, so that's what we're doing. Give us a call if you think we can help. If you need someone to draft up some documents quick and think that there's a service model that can take some of the cost and time delay out of it and do it efficiently. If you're comfortable with services being delivered remote, we'd love to visit with you and hear more how we can help. That's all we got. Website is trustee-help.com. Ciao.